Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. So unfortunately, I didn't have a blue base within grasp, but we have white canvas base by Makeup Revolution, and that shit is bomb. So the blue eyeshadow that I'm about to use is Filter by Limecrime Venus 2 palette. So you can do whatever color sky you like, but I just chose that blue color, and we're going to pat that all over the lid and then blend it out. Of course your sky could be cloudless, but I'm going to make some cute fluffy clouds today. And with that, I'm doing the Mehron face paint. You can use whatever you like. You can even use white base. I just feel like this would stay longer. Now, this was my first attempt. So pretty much you just want to build up that white paint and create multiple layers to create that fluffy effect. Now it's time for the winged eyeliner. You can use whatever color you like, but I wanted to use the dark green to represent grass. This is Liquid Lipstick by Jeffree Star. And we're going to take a small brush and just drag it along. Going back into the same palette again, I want to represent sunlight, so I'm using this gold yellow color. It's called Fly. So after blending the yellow, it's time for my favorite part, which is falsies. You do not have to wear this, it is completely optional, but I think it makes any look so much better. So yeah, we're pretty much done here. I'm just adding a few touch-ups. So there you have it, our look is all done. I'd say this look is actually fairly easy, and I know you guys can do it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Thanks so much for watching.